Hello, welcome to Math Learning Video for Thursday. In this video, you're going to learn how to complete Activity 3 from the Google Slides. You're going to use the numbers from the slides and your own paper. Our objective is, I can count and name a group or set with up to 5 objects. Here is an example. We're going to create a set of pictures to match the numbers. The first one is the number 4. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4 thumbprints and glued them down to match the number 4. I have 4 objects to match the number 4. Now we have the number 2. Since I saw it was the number 2, I put 2 objects next to the number 2. 1, 2. Now we have the number 3. This is the number 3. I put 3 objects next to the number 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the number 5. I put 5 objects next to the number 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you may notice that things are not exactly in number order. We have a 4, and then a 2, and a 3, a 5, and a 1. Those are not in order. That's okay. We need to get used to seeing a number and being able to know how many objects that represents without being in order. Last, I have the number 1. So I'm going to put 1 object next to the number 1. Now it's your turn to practice. Follow the directions on the next slide to complete Activity 3. Activity 3. You're going to look at the numbers on the next set of slides. You're going to read the number aloud to yourself. You're going to write that number on a piece of paper. Then you're going to draw a picture to match that number. Then you're going to write the number name. Someone may have to help you with writing the number name, but Miss Shaw likes to get used to doing the number name as well because number names are like sight words. So you should be able to recognize the number names for all of your numbers, especially the numbers 1 through 10. Once again, I said that the numbers are out of order so that you don't get used to going in order from memory. Sometimes when we start counting and drawing things, we want to automatically go from 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5. You need to be able to look at the number, recognize the number, draw objects to match the number, and write the number name even if they are not in order. So these are going to be your first ones. You're going to have 5 different numbers. Your job is to go through and look at the number or numeral, read the number aloud, write the number down on a piece of paper, draw a picture to match that number, and then write the number name. Good job! I can't wait to see you tomorrow at 8:30 on a Friday. Yay! Happy Friday! Thank you for watching Thursday's math learning video.